SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about where is AirDrop on iPhone. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Before we get started, there's a couple things to note about AirDrop. In order for it to work, you need to be within Wi-Fi and Bluetooth range of the person to whom you are trying to send files. Additionally, each person needs to have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on their phone, and they cannot have the personal hotspot feature enabled. So with that in mind, if you want to find the AirDrop setting on your iPhone, you can open the Settings app, find the General option and select that. You can then choose AirDrop, and then if you want to turn it on, you can choose either Contacts Only if the person that you're trying to share files with is in your contacts, or you can choose Everyone for 10 minutes if they're not. Now there's another place where you can also change the AirDrop setting, and that's in the Control Center. You can do this by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen, and then you're going to tap and hold on this Connections square at the top left of the screen. Here you're going to see that there's an AirDrop option, so you just need to select that, and then you'll see the same list of options that you had in the Settings menu. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.